Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passive income with Coursera, full guide step by step clearly. To activate passive income with Coursera, start by creating an account on the Coursera website. Explore the various courses offered to understand the subjects that capture your interest and expertise. Choose a course or a specialization that aligns with your skills and market demand. Ensure that the selected course has a certification option, as certifications add value to your profile. Complete the course material at your own pace, taking notes on key concepts and skills. Once you've earned your certification, update your professional profiles, such as LinkedIn and your resume, to reflect your new qualification. Consider creating a portfolio showcasing projects or assignments completed during the course. Next, brainstorm ways to leverage your new skills for teaching or content creation. Develop an online course or instructional video series based on your expertise and Coursera experience. Consider platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host your course and set a competitive price. Promote your course through social media, blogs, or email newsletters to reach your target audience. Keep engaging with your audience by providing updates, answering questions, and offering additional resources. Explore affiliate marketing opportunities with Coursera to earn commission by promoting their courses. Share your affiliate links on social media or within your educational content. Regularly monitor your earnings and assess which strategies are most effective for generating passive income. Continue building your skills through additional courses to enhance your offerings and attract more students. As you gather experience, consider creating a membership site or subscription service for ongoing learning. Over time, this approach can lead to a sustainable stream of passive income while enhancing your professional portfolio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.